Hey guys, this is Whalehater doing Packet Tracer 1145. We are configuring and verifying a small little tiny network. No big deal. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's get going. So we've got applying the basic configurations to RTA using the following information and the addressing table, configure RTA. So let's go with a host name first. Host name RTA. Next, let's give it a banner. Message of the day. We'll use our double hashtags as the delimiters. That's appropriate, I feel. Okay, line password set to. Okay, so line con 0. Password Cisco. Login. Line VTY 0 to 4. Enable secret class, I think is the next one. Exit there. Oh, don't exit that. Service password encryption. Just for fun. Okay, next let's do our IP addressing and descriptions of the interfaces. Interface G00. So we've got an IP address right there. No shutdown. Description connects to SW1. So the 10.10.10 goes to SW1 right there. Interface G01. Description connects to SW2. Where's the IP address? We just changed this to a 20. And everything else is the same. No shutdown. Alright, the last thing we have to do is save the configuration. Copy, run, start. That should be done there. Okay, let's go through and configure our PCs. All 10s on that one. Default gateway is that. Okay, let's do PC2. Change that to a 20. Oops. 10, 20. Okay. Last thing we have to do is connect the do some default information here on these two switches. So we'll do switch 1 first. Okay, what does it want us to do here? Using the app addressing table, configure the management interface for SW1, configure the default gateway address, and then save the configuration. So Cisco and class, the two passwords to get in. So the first one, we're on VLAN 1. So configuration terminal, interface VLAN 1. IP address is, that's just 2. IP default gateway, that one. And then we'll copy the running configuration to the startup configuration. So that was just for SW1. Everything else, I guess that one doesn't need it. All right, so let's go through and answer some of these questions. Issue each of the following commands and then answer the related questions. Easy enough. Show IP interface brief. Show interfaces. Show IP interface. Okay, what command displays the status of a port? Well, they all do, actually. Gigabit Ethernet 01 is up. There's a status right there, up. Show interfaces. The next one here is the show interfaces. So that last one was show IP interface. This one show interfaces. This one is up. Line protocol is up. So everything there is up, up. Here we have a status, up, up. They're all up. So each one of them do. Which commands? Each of those listed above. Which command shows only the IP address, no subnet mask or prefix? And that would be this one right here, the show interface brief. What command displays the description configured on the interface? I think that's show interfaces. Yep, description. Show interfaces. Which command displays the IP broadcast address? The broadcast address. Okay, well, I'm sure that's in the IP one. Broadcast address right there. Which command displays the MAC address of the interface? That's going to be show interfaces, because show IP just shows layer 3 of the OSI model. So this one's going to be, where is it? There it is. MAC address right there, baby. So that's show interfaces, does that command. Okay. Show IP route is the next thing they want us to look at. And then we have show IP route connected. So those are the two commands. How many networks are known by the router based on the output of the show IP route command? You see these, anything here that has a C on it is a connected network. So it knows about 2 networks. What does the L at the beginning of the lines within the routing table represent? Those are local interfaces. This is the address of the local interface on that network. Okay, so this is the router's address on a known network. That's the local address. What does the /32 prefix listed at the routing table indicate? That means that every one of those bits is used up. That one is all there. So basically it's the host address. On RTA, shut down the gigabit Ethernet 00 interface. Let's do that. Shut down. Okay. On the RTA shutdown, how many networks are displayed in the routing table now? Do show IP route. Now you only see one. Attempt to ping PC1. Was the ping successful? Ping. Do ping. Paste. And he's number 1010. And we're just going to get periods, and periods are no fun. Just ask any woman. Issue the show IP interface brief command. What is the status of the gigabit Ethernet 00 interface? Do show IP interface brief. And you'll see that gigabit Ethernet 00 is administratively down. Reactivate the gigabit Ethernet 00 interface. Issue the show IP route command. Did the routing table repopulate? No shutdown. Do show IP route. Yes, it did. We are back in action. That's great. Yes, it did. What can be inferred about the interface status of routes that appear in the routing table? Well, if it's in the routing table and it says here's your exit interface, it's a live interface. It can be routed out that interface. It's on. It's active. It's routable. There you go. Well, you guys, we have reached the end of this packet tracer, but not the end of the videos. There's still more ahead. Please subscribe. We got more videos coming out all the time for you. I would love it if you would share this with your friends and also hit that thumbs up button. You guys have always been awesome. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to give you this one more time. Peace.